They're gone. That's right, the crew from Conestoga Buildings, our construction company, has left for good. I'm kind of going to miss those guys. They were fantastic. We could not ask for a better building crew. The company put their best men on the job, and we can't say thank you enough to those guys. They were amazing. They told me that they watched the video, so thank you guys. Very bittersweet seeing you guys go. It was awesome having you here and watching you guys work on our dream home. So let's go ahead and give you guys an update. What is finished? Pretty much all of the shell is finished except for this hole in the wall here. They needed to leave that hole in the wall for all of that gravel to be brought in via Bobcat skid steer. They'll need to bring the gravel in and lay it in here as the base for our concrete slab. So this wall looks amazing. You got those windows up top, the double French doors on the bottom. We got our hardware in for our doors. We're trying to decide if we're going to paint the doors first or go ahead and put the hardware on and then paint this nice black modern hardware. We'll step out of the door here. And again, for those of you that haven't been watching, this is all going to be cold storage. We're going to have deep freezers down there, extra fridge for all of our meat and produce that we keep. And we'll put a deck over that. So here's our outside view. Looks amazing. Can't wait to get those doors painted and to really finish it up. And we'll back up. There it is. I'll throw some drone footage in here at the end like I always do. But they did a phenomenal job. So happy with the work that they did. So this was a really cool moment that I'm glad I got on camera. The crew had arrived for the last day of work and the sunrise was just so beautiful they had to jump up on the ladder and take out their phones and take pictures and video.